Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart a Volkswagen Atlas. First, prioritize safety by gathering gloves and eye protection. Make sure both vehicles are completely off and in park or neutral. Position the working vehicle so the jumper cables can easily reach both batteries. Before connecting, inspect the battery terminals for any dirt or corrosion, cleaning them if necessary for a good connection. Now, let's connect the jumper cables correctly. First, attach one red positive cable clamp to the positive terminal of your Atlas's dead battery. Then, connect the other end of the red positive cable to the positive terminal of the donor vehicle's battery. Next, connect one black negative cable clamp to the negative terminal of the donor battery. Finally, clamp the remaining black negative cable to an unpainted metal surface on your Volkswagen Atlas, away from the battery. With the cables securely connected, it's time to start the engines. Begin by starting the donor vehicle's engine and allow it to run for about 5 minutes. This gives the dead battery a chance to receive some charge. After 5 minutes, try to start your Volkswagen Atlas. If it doesn't start immediately, wait another few minutes and attempt it again. Remember, do not crank the engine for more than 10 seconds at a time to prevent damage. Once your Volkswagen Atlas has successfully started, it's crucial to disconnect the cables in the correct order to avoid electrical issues. First, remove the black negative cable from the unpainted metal surface on your Atlas. Next, disconnect the other end of the black negative cable from the donor battery's negative terminal. Then, remove the red positive cable from the donor battery's positive terminal. Finally, detach the red positive cable from your Atlas's positive terminal.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.